Hey, real quick, when exactly were you planning to feel good? Like after the laundry, after the stress, after society gives you a gold star? Here's the thing, pleasure doesn't show up just because you hit complete on your to-do list. It doesn't wait around like some patient little puppy. It's a wild, beautiful, hungry thing that wants attention now. And no shade, but a lot of us were taught that pleasure is selfish or dangerous or indulgent. So we keep it at arm's length. We say, I'll do that later. I'll rest after this. I'll enjoy it when I've earned it. But what if you stopped treating pleasure like it's a cupcake you get only after suffering? What if pleasure was part of your daily hygiene, like brushing your teeth or doom scrolling, but better for your nervous system? So this is your permission slip. Put pleasure first this week, even if it's just 5 minutes. You don't need to justify it. You just need to want it. Drop a comment if you're done saving it for later.